Before starting with the designing, so first we go to the design sheet. So here you can see the design sheet. So these are the all components of the screw jack. Here you can see this is the body, then we have nut, then we have cup, then we have spindle, then we have the screws, tommy bar and the washer. So we going to draw all these components one by one, and we will start with this body frame. So you can see these are the dimension of the body, and we will make this component, and then after we draw all these components, and then we will go for the assembly file. So let's move to the user interface of the Catia. So to draw the first component, we click on the start button, then go for the mechanical design and then part design. So you can change the name. So it is showing that it's part 1. So you can change the name. You can type body and then hit OK. After that, you need to select any one plane. So you can see here these are 3 planes. You can select this XY plane, and after that you click on the sketch. Okay, now you can draw the dimension which is already given in the drawing sheet. So we are going to draw this hatching portions. So this is the profile which we are going to draw, and here you can see this is the axis line. Suppose if we draw this profile and we also draw this axis line, and when we use the revolve command, it will generate the component. So we will draw this component using the shaft command or revolve command. Okay, so we need to draw this profile which is shown by this hatching lines. So you can see this is the total distance of from here, it is 140. So I am going to draw a line from here to here, and that is 70, half of this distance. So I am clicking on the line, then clicking here and draw this line and giving the constraint to 70. So this is the dimension. After that we draw this line. This is of 20 distance, this is of 20 dimension. Then again I click on the line, and from here to here, if I go the constraint, this is 20. So after that we draw this axis line, and the height of the axis line is 185. So just I click on the axis line. You can see here it is axis line. Then I start draw this axis line from here and going for the constraint, and this line is of 85. Enter. So you can see now this is the height of the body. So I am drawing a line again from here to here, and this the outer distance is 70. So half of the distance is 35. So now I draw a line from here to here, that is 25. Then again I am going to draw the rest of the line. So I click on the line, and then from here I draw a line of this, and going for the constraint, this is of 25 distance, and again I am going to draw another line from here to here, then giving a constraint, and this line is of 10 dimension. Why I draw this line of 10 millimeter? Because you can see here this distance is of 10, because the outer diameter is of 70. So after that I click again on line and draw a line from here to here, and this is the dimension of 40. So we go for the constraint and draw a line of 40. Okay, after that you can see there is a small, portion which is going inside the body. You can see here, and what is the dimension? You can see the outer diameter is of 70, but here the diameter is of 67. So the difference between the diameter is 3. So it means the 1.5 from here and 1.5 from here, it is going inside the body. So again I am going to draw another line. You can see here I am going to draw another line in this direction, and when we go for the constraint, this is 1.5. It is a very small distance, but it is also there in the design. Okay, so after that what you going to do, you just draw this line. This is you can calculate this line with the help of this diameter. It is 100, and it is also 100, so that means the distance from here to here is 20. So again I'm going to click on line and draw another line from here to here, and going for the constraint, and this distance is of 20. Click OK. So this portion we have created and this portion we have created. Now what we have to do, just draw a line which is joining from here to here. So I'm clicking on the line and just click over here, and after that I clicking on here. So now it is closed. So you can see here, now it is closed. So again you can see there is another line over here. So what we're going to do, just click this line, and after that we click on this option that is called offset. So once we click on the offset, you just move your mouse in this direction. You can see here, if you move the mouse in this direction, so it will offset the line from here, but we have to offset the line to this direction. Okay, so when your mouse in this direction, so just go above the screen and enter the offset distance, and this offset distance is of 10. So I offset this line to a distance of 10, you can see here. After that, what you going to do, you just draw a line from here to the bottom. So again I'm clicking on the line and I click from here and then draw a line to the bottom. So we need to trim this line because these are the extra lines. So again what we are going to do, we are going to the quick trim command and click here. So it's going to be trim. Again I click on this quick trim and then click here, so it is going to be trim. So after that what we are going to do, we just extend this line to here. So I click on this line and again draw this line because it's showing this line is parallel. You can see the symbols over here, you can see the symbol, it is going parallel. So again I click on quick trim and then delete this thing. After that again I click on the quick trim and delete this because now we need this geometry only, and again I click on here and then click delete. So now this is the profile which we need to draw. So you can see again I am comparing with this. So these are the profile. You can see the hatching line shows the section profile. So I draw this section profile. I also draw this axis line. So what you need to do, just exit this sketch. Okay, so when you exit this sketch, you need to click on this command. You can see here it is a shaft command. So when you click on the shaft command, it revolve the geometry, whatever the profile you make, it revolve about the. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more related videos.